I didn't realize that's what it looked like.
Yeah, the process.
Yeah.
I also didn't realize they were the only spot in Oregon to do the
olive mill, I guess.
Yeah.
The olive mill.
To have its own little.
I'm gonna go
mill.
home and have a martini now, just so I can eat the olives in the martini. I'm like an accessories type of girl,
Yes,
you know,
yes.
like Bloody Marys, just like the bacon and the olives. Yeah. Anyway, how's it outside right now? You know, earlier today it wasn't too bad.
No, really kind of a nice day. I'm calling this Tuesday the calm before our next storm as we take a live look out across our region. Downtown Portland really show-stopping with a lot of those fall colors and seeing just the same out towards the wineries in Oregon's wine and olive country, out towards the exploratory Walton Valley, Forest Grove area, as our temperatures managed to get back up into the upper 50s. Still a few degrees cooler than what we would typically see for the very end of October. 59 degrees today is that average daytime high. Not likely to get close to that as we move our way through the next several days, as the cloud coverage still remains primarily widespread across the Portland-Vancouver area with a few breaks in the clouds, but that will be a distant memory as we expect to see the cloud coverage continue to increase through the rest of this evening, all in preparation of our next storm system. You can really see just how massive it is. It's spanning all the way from the Gulf of Alaska down through the Pacific Ocean, and it's taking aim at western Oregon and southwest Washington just in time for the middle of the week. So for the rest of this evening, increasing that cloud coverage, temperatures falling back into the upper 40s. Your showers past forecast gives you those green bikes to go ahead and enjoy the evening before we see the return of the wet weather, as the clouds will increase tonight into the start of the day tomorrow. You can see some of the first few raindrops falling through the I-5 corridor as early as about 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. The coastline could pick up on some of those drops as early as about 4 o'clock, but look, the brunt of the rain really moves in just before lunchtime. Those yellows and oranges, a good indication of the heaviest of the downpours as mountain snow starts to get underway once more. We keep that wet weather trend going all the way through Wednesday evening. Through the overnight hours, a hit and miss shower is very likely, and now we're entering into Halloween morning. That's where the soggy conditions will likely remain as heavy mountain snow continues. So mountain pass travel likely going to be on the tricky side for us, and then we approach the trick-or-treat hour, which unfortunately does look to be on the wet side. But the good news is it's going to help to fill up those rain gauges close to about 3/4 of an inch all the way through Thursday afternoon, closer to an inch, inch and a half possible for some of our coastal communities. But it's pretty much on Wednesday. That's our best chance at potentially seeing some active weather in the form of lightning, thunder, heavy downpours, small hail, and we can't rule out the chance for maybe a very isolated funnel cloud, very similar to what we saw out towards the Longview area about this time yesterday. Now, snow elevation levels dropping back to about 4,000 feet. That's where the National Weather Service has winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings. We're talking about feet of snow possible over the high terrain. That does include the highest points of Mount Hood, as many of those commuting spots over the high mountain passes above 5,000 feet. Likely to see some slushy, if not even some slick and hazardous roadways over the next several days. But let's take a closer look at Halloween for those trick-or-treaters. 52% of the time, we do see rain on Halloween. You'll remember those. Just last year, we managed to escape the rain. Not likely to do the same this year, as we expect to only get up to about 53 degrees. And for the trick-or-treat hours, both of our weather models looking to be on the wet side, as our 7-day forecast does show that that wet weather takes us all the way to the end of October. Starts November off on the soggy side with temperatures getting back up into the mid-50s. Slightly drier for the weekend, maybe a hit and miss shower is a possibility as we fall back Saturday night into Sunday. That's where those sunrises and sunsets will be slightly earlier. And for Election Day on Tuesday, 56 with some wet weather.
Okay, well, good thing we don't have to stand and vote.
No,
Just drop
no
off your
lines.
ballot, not deal with the rain.
It's easy.
Okay, thanks, Josh.
Well, coming up next, see how AI is bringing some animal